Unravel the mystery of phrasal verbs in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into an interesting aspect of the English language, phrasal verbs. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently using phrasal verbs in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. First and foremost, what are phrasal verbs? They are verbs that are made up of two or more words, a verb and a preposition or an adverb or both. For example, give up, run out, or look forward to are all phrasal verbs. They are unique because their meaning can be very different from the individual words that make them up. Why are phrasal verbs so important? Because they are used extensively in English, especially in informal communication. So, mastering them will make your English sound more natural and fluent. Now, let's explore how to use phrasal verbs in sentences. The key is to remember that a phrasal verb acts as a single verb, even though it consists of more than one word. Let's illustrate this with some examples. 1. I give up. In this sentence, give up means to quit or surrender. 2. We've run out of milk. Here, run out means to have none left. 3. I am looking forward to the weekend. In this context, look forward to means to anticipate with pleasure. The best way to master phrasal verbs is through practice. Here are some exercises for you. Try to create sentences using these phrasal verbs. 1. Pick up. 2. Break down. 3. Turn on. And that's it for today's lesson on phrasal verbs. Remember, practice is the key to mastering phrasal verbs, so make sure to use them in your daily conversations. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're looking forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Until then, keep practicing.